Acid reflux, also known as gastroesophageal reflux, occurs when the contents from your stomach flow back into the tube connecting your mouth and stomach. And if you have symptoms of acid reflux more than twice a week, it may indicate that you have gastroesophageal reflux disease. According to one study, acid reflux affects about 20% of people in the United States. If this disease is left untreated, it can lead to severe complications. Common symptoms of acid reflux disorder. Heartburn is one of the most common symptoms of acid reflux. You can usually feel a burning sensation in your chest after eating, and the condition worsens at night. You might also feel a sour or bitter taste at the back of your mouth. Sometimes people also experience regurgitation of food. Other symptoms of acid reflux include chronic cough, bad breath, pain when swallowing, chest pain, nausea. It is important to mention some of the risk factors that contribute to worsening the situation of acid reflux disorder. Obesity, smoking, frequently eating large meals, drinking certain type of beverages like alcohol, soda, or coffee, being pregnant, eating a lot of fast foods. In this video, we will focus on the diet for acid reflux. 5 foods you should avoid and 5 foods you should include to ease the symptoms of heartburn. First, we'll talk about the foods you should skip. Number 1. Soda drinks. The bubbles in the carbonated beverages expand in the stomach, put pressure on the sphincter, and push stomach acid and contents back into the food pipe. This results in a burning sensation in the chest. Number 2. High-fat foods. High-fat foods like burgers and fries can cause the lower esophageal sphincter to relax, thus allowing stomach acid to flow back into the esophagus. Fried and fatty foods also delay stomach emptying. Here is the list of foods that have a high fat content. Reducing your total daily fat intake can help you. French fries, regular cheese and butter, fried beef, oily foods, desserts like ice cream, snacks such as potato chips. Number 3. Citrus foods and tomatoes. Fruits high in acid content can cause or worsen the symptoms of acid reflux. If you are experiencing frequent acid reflux, you should reduce the intake of the following foods: lemon, pineapple, limes, oranges, tomatoes, and tomato sauce. Number 4. Caffeine. Gastric acid secretion can increase with foods and beverages containing caffeine. Caffeine can also relax the lower esophageal sphincter. So to decrease stomach acidity, it is best to minimize the amount of caffeine in your diet. Number 5. Chocolates. Cocoa powder is one of the key components of chocolate, but unfortunately, it is bad for acid reflux patients. Sorry, chocolate lovers. Cocoa powder is acidic and can increase your symptoms. Chocolate also contains methylxanthine. This ingredient relaxes the smooth muscle in the lower esophageal sphincter and increases reflux. Now let's talk about 5 foods that are very beneficial for people suffering from acid reflux disorder. Number 1. High fiber foods. Overeating is one of the key contributors to heartburn. Foods high in fiber make you feel full for longer and prevent heartburn. Good options include whole grains such as oatmeal and brown rice, green vegetables such as broccoli and green beans, root vegetables such as sweet potatoes and carrots. Number 2. Ginger. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties and can prevent heartburn and other gastrointestinal problems. To ease symptoms, you can drink ginger tea or add sliced ginger into the smoothies or recipes. Number 3. Non-citrus fruits. Non-citrus fruits are less likely to trigger reflux symptoms than acidic fruits. Non-citrus fruits include banana, apples, and pears. So if you have to quit citrus fruits because of heartburn, you should include non-citrus fruits to balance your diet. Number 4. Egg whites. Egg white is a good option, but avoid egg yolks because yolks are high in fat and trigger reflux symptoms. Number 5. Watery foods. Foods containing a lot of water content help dilute and weaken the stomach acid. Good options include cucumber, lettuce, watermelon, and herbal tea. So viewers, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification button so that you get a notification every time we post a video.